Look familiar? I'm sure you've seen this. The thing we're going to talk about today is who should be watching for who.
If the world ended.
Alright, you've seen them. The watch for motorcycle stickers. I've seen them on cars all over the place. I have one on my shed window. But let's face it, people. Who should be watching for who out there? Take a look at my Beware the Motor Vloggers video and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. The fact of the matter is, motorcyclists aren't saints. Actually, they're far from it. In New Jersey this year, there's been a lot of motorcycle accidents, and I would say 80% of them were the motorcyclist's fault. I'm not making this stuff up. I've seen it numerous times. Look at this video, look at all the videos, go to any motor vlogger on YouTube, and guarantee you, by the end of the video, they're going to speed, they're going to cross double lines because they're impatient about a driver in front of them that's probably doing the speed limit, and they're lane splitting. And I'm not here to get into a debate on lane splitting. The fact of the matter is it's illegal in the state of New Jersey and most other states in the country. Whether or not you can say it's safe, you can say it's not safe. That's a debate for another time. The fact of the matter is it's illegal in this state and most other states, and drivers are not looking for you to come riding up between them and another car when they're in their lane. It's just not, they're just not looking for it. So, should the driver be looking for you because you're speeding, you're crossing a double line, because you're lane splitting? It happens all the time. I've seen it on the road. I can tell you personally, more than 50% of the motorcyclists I've seen are driving recklessly, riding recklessly. It's a fact, and you can't deny it. I'm sure you've seen it yourself. Just because you ride a motorcycle doesn't give you the right to speed. It doesn't give you the right to cross a double line. So, and when I'm driving, yeah, I watch for motorcycles, but you know what? Motorcycles should be watching for me when I'm in my car. They have more. I have more to lose on my motorcycle than I do that guy in the car. So maybe there should be a bumper sticker for motorcyclists saying "Watch for vehicles." That's all I got to say. It's a short video today. Check out my video on Moto Vloggers, and I go into exactly what I'm talking about here. The key here is, people, ride safe. I say it all the time. Ride careful, ride smart. It's not just a slogan, it's a way to live when you're riding your motorcycle. Until next time, take care. Don't forget, subscribe and click that like button. Okay, let's finish our ride. This is Route 511 in Morris County. I started out at Route 23 and I'm heading into Boonton. It's a beautiful road through some lakes, nice rural area. Enjoy the ride. And as I said before, ride careful, ride smart.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question, but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but